Praisers and Savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is July the 16th and we're heading into CVS. This is an all digital breakdown of deals today. We're only using our phone to get these deals. No paper coupons needed. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off and take it in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. Now, I am doing giveaways in my videos for $10 gift cards, and in my last video, I only had 13 comments. In order for me to do a giveaway, I have to have 25 comments. So all you have to do is comment your favorite deal of the day or any questions you may have, and I will be raffling off the comments for a $10 gift card. Now, I actually do have a $20 off 80 and a $10 off 60 CRT. Now, CRTs are store coupons that you can use in conjunction with your manufacturer coupons in the app. And I got these from my email. So if you're not signed up for email alerts, go in your app and sign up for email alerts. They're the best thing ever. What I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be breaking up the transaction into two transactions. I will do a transaction where it'll come to about $80, another one that will come to about $60, so I can use one of these threshold coupons. I have done the printable breakdown for a $20 and a $10, so that's already on there for me. Hopefully you do have some threshold coupons. Guys, please always check your IBOTTA app for your different bonuses. And, you can use these together. So if I'm getting things on IBOTTA, it covers multiple bonuses at the same time. So right now I have 3 going on. I have my Grill Master, which you all should have. I have my IBOTTA Versary, and I also have my Weekend Warrior bonus. Those all can be used in conjunction of each other, so you're able to get even more bang for your buck. Now, the first deal that I have for you is on the Nivea. This is the Nivea body wash. This is some high price body wash. It's $7.99. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of them. Your total is going to be $15.98. We're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. I do not have any coupons on this, but we are going to get back $2 per bottle from IBOTTA. So we're going to get back $4 from IBOTTA. So with the $4 back from IBOTTA and the $5 in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $6.98 or $3.49 each. Now, the next deal I did was on the Revlon Cosmetics, and this is kind of a multi-tiered type deal. So what I did was, you've got to pick up 2 Revlon Cosmetics or beauty tools, and you'll get back $5 extra care bucks. My cheapest Revlon Cosmetics is this Color Stay eyeliner pencil. It's $9.99, and this is actually my favorite eyeliner pencil. I don't like that CoverGirl one, but this is my favorite one. So $9.99, picking up 2 of them. Our total will be $19.98. You can do something else as long as you have 2 Revlon products. We're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks. Now, on the CVS app, we do have a $5 off Revlon Cosmetics or beauty tools. These $5 CRT on the app, this store coupon on the app, you can use it on a variety of things. You can use it on nail clippers or anything. So just scan your items to make sure things apply, of course. And then you're going to head over to IBOTTA. IBOTTA has various IBOTTA rebates for Revlon products. And I'm getting the eye product, so I'll get $3 back per eye product. So that will be $6 back from IBOTTA. So with the $5 extra care bucks, the $5 Revlon CRT, and the $6 back from IBOTTA, my total will be $3.98 or $1.99. Now, this is a great deal on the Schick razors. These are going to be $3.79, I believe. So you're going to pick up 2 of these at $12.79. Your total will be $25.58. We do have 2 different $4 Schick coupons on the CVS app. If you don't have these, just check your Shop Mem app for the coupon. So that's $8 in coupons, and then we'll get back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $25. So with the $10 extra care bucks and the $8 coupon, the total will be $7.58 for both, or $3.79 each, I believe. Now, this is my deal of the day, and this is going to be on the Poise adult care products. Now, I don't use these, but these are expensive, and I am sure there's somebody in your life, an older person perhaps, that would love to have these. And we're going to be getting these for about $5.45. So coming from $17.49 all the way down to $5.49 or so is a great deal. And this is something you could donate for people who need it. So I picked up 2 packs at $17.49. The total was $34.98. We're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $30. That's already a great thing right there. So your total after your extra care bucks is going to be $24.98. Well, we have this high valued $10 IBOTTA rebate. And this can only be done on those adult care products, not like your regular pads, but these are going to be on the pads. I call them, tinkle pads or whatever. But you just need to scan which products and you'll find it. But you got to buy 2. So you'll have the extra care bucks is $10. You'll have the IBOTTA rebate, that's $10. Already, those 2 right there are going to bring $20 off. Now, I totally forgot, but in the app, in the CVS app, there are $2 coupons. I totally forgot to take the picture, but I did take the Shop Mium ones. So here are the Shop Mium ones. There's $2 off one and $2 off the other one. What I ended up doing was I got one of the overnight pads, and then I got a box of the ultra thin ones, so I can use both of these coupons. But on the app, you have it the same. You have a $2 coupon and a $2 coupon on the Poise products, so that's $4 in coupons. So with the $4 in coupon, the $10 extra care bucks, and the $10 IBOTTA, your total for both of these is going to be $10.98 or $5.49 each. Great deal on these. Great item to donate, guys. On this, I got these CoverGirl products for 59 cents each. I wanted to do something different. I always see people posting about the CoverGirl eyeliner, CoverGirl eyeliner. I'm so sick of seeing that. So I wanted to bring you something different. Now, I needed some new makeup, and I, can't go wrong with the CoverGirl Clean Classic. So these blush palettes, the big blush palettes, not the small ones. The big ones are $6.59. I ended up picking up 2 different products. I didn't take a picture of it, but I picked up 2 different products that were about $6.59. My total was $13.18. When I buy 2 CoverGirl Cosmetics, you get back $4. Or if you wanted to do 3, you can get back $7, just according to what you have in coupons on your app, that sort of thing. Now, I ended up getting a mascara, and so I was able to use this $2 coupon on the app for the mascara, and then I was able to use this $2 coupon for the face product. In addition to that, I was also able to use this $4 CRT. This $4 CRT worked for either the mascara or the face product. So with the $4 back in extra care bucks, the $4 CRT, and the $4 in coupons, my total was $1.18 for both products, which is really good considering I needed some new mascara and I needed some blush. And if you wanted to do something different, you could, but this was the best for me and what I needed. The next deal was on the L'Oreal hair. This is $1.99 for these this week. Now, I do not have a coupon on the CVS app for these. This week, you may have it, but there is a coupon on the Shop Mium app. Guys, we're no longer using coupons.com. I'm going straight for the Shop Mium, same as coupons.com, so I'm using it. This is a $3 off on the L'Oreal. So what I did was picking up 2 of them. Your total was $10.98. We have a $3 coupon on the Shop Mium app, and then we're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks. The total for both is going to be $3.98 or $1.99 each. Now, the next deals I'm bringing to you guys are the Spend 30, Get Back $10. And I don't have a bunch of coupons to get my Tide and Gain products like I usually do. And I wanted to mix and match it just a little bit. So I do love some herbal essence. I actually forgot to take a picture, but I got the grapefruit and Mocha Mint one. That one's my favorite. If you've never tried it, it's orange. Very, very good. So these are 2 for $14. There'll be, you know, each one 7 or 2 for $14. And then we have a $4 coupon on the CVS app. So that's one of the products I ended up getting for my spend $30, get back $10. And then some people got the Pantene, but I ended up getting the Head and Shoulders. And the Head and Shoulders men does qualify, so I went ahead and got these. These are $7.99 each. My husband loves the sandalwood and bourbon smell, but they are on sale 2 for $6. Yeah, so $12. So yeah, when you buy 2 of them, they'll be $12. And then there's a $3 coupon on those. So far I've got the $14 Herbal Essence and the $12 in Head and Shoulders. My total so far is going to be $26. So I just need, you know, about $4 more to get to my threshold of $30 to get that $10 extra care buck. And then I looked on my app to see if I had anything that was small. And then I realized, yep, I do have this, the Tide Pods, small bags. These are usually $7.49, but they're on sale for $5.49, which they are every single week. I remember when I used to get these for about $4, but that was another time. And then we have a $1 coupon on the CVS app. So that'll bring these down to $4.49. So that takes me to my $30 threshold, and then I'll get back the $10 in extra care bucks. So all in all those products were about $12 and something like that. $13.49 for all of those products there for the spend $30. That's not bad. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It helps me a ton. And also when you comment, remember, comment your deal of the day. Let me know what your favorite deal was so you can be entered into the giveaway. And as always, I have uploaded lots of these deals on my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook channel. So join me at Praising and Saving to get all of your deals. So I will be heading to Target on Monday to get some great things. So be looking out for that video. Thanks, guys.